Initiating system run. System run alert.
We are one. We are a legion. Break the system of corruption. Fight with your mind, alliance. Freedom. Justice. Liberty. Hope. Love. Truth. Anonymous.
Hello, humanoids. Today I'm going to show you how to install Tool X in Termux. Before you going to do this, you need to install Kali in Termux. If you don't know how to do that, I already made a video about how to install Kali in Termux. The link is below this video. Let's start.
Biojoint.
I hope you enjoy this video. If you like my video, hit like and subscribe my channel. If you don't know how to install Kali in Termux, I let the link below this description. Thank you for watching.